Hello everyone, my name is Gurangan Nikita and today's date is 26th August 2024 and my topic name is encapsulation. Encapsulation that are also used to refer the data or variables and code that are methods into a single unit. In encapsulation that can be that are also and classes variables are hidden from other classes and can only be accessed by the methods in the encapsulations that are also and the class in which they are found in the another class. In the encapsulations in Java is and the object oriented procedure of the combining the data members and the data methods of the class inside the user defined classes. It is and important to declare these classes and the classes is and the private in the encapsulations in Java that are also used to refers to the building of data and methods that operates on the data within a single unit. In the encapsulations that are typically classes and this can be also provide the fast functionality in the that can be state of an object and only exposing the necessary functionalities through the methods by encapsulating data in a Java ensure better data security in a Java that can be maintainability under the understanding the encapsulations in fundamental for the building the robust and the organized Java applications for making a Java course essential for this concept. In the need of the encapsulation in Java that can be encapsulations improvises the procedure of coding to whole new level. We need encapsulations in Java for various regions. They are also and stated below that are better control getter and setter security flexibility in Java. The setter control that can be also and encapsulate the provide the ultimate control of and over the data members and the data members inside the classes. In the encapsulations the getter and setter method are also provides that the standards IDEs provides inbuilt support for the getter and setter methods in the Java, which can be also increase the programming spaces. In the security encapsulations prevents access to data members and the data methods by any external classes. The encapsulation that are also encapsulates the process improve and the security of the encapsulations data in the flexibility changes made when one part of the code can be successfully implemented without affecting any other part of the code. In the data hiding in Java, data hiding is and the procedure done to the avoid access to the data members and the data methods and their logical implementation. Data hiding can be and done by the using the access the specifiers. We have four access specifiers which are as the follows that are default access specifier are also and first line of the data hiding if any classes in the Java not mentioned with and the access specifiers, then the compiler will set the default as access specifier. The access specifications of the default are extremely the similar to that of the access specifiers in the Java that are public and the private access specifier. In the public specifier provides the access specifiers actions to a class so that it can be accessed from anywhere within the programs. In the second is and the private access specifier. Then the private access specifier that are also used to provide access to the data members and the data methods limits to the classes itself. In the third is and the protected. In the protected access specifier that can be also accessed class as the methods and members similar to the private access specifier. The main difference between that access specifier is and the package, and unlike only a class with the private access specifiers that can be also and the getters and setters method are also provides the techniques to that are commonly referred to in the object oriented program and programming language, and attributes can be retrieved using a getter method, and it can be also be changed using a setter method as the indicated by the names. In the your implementation methods will be and determine if an attribute is checked or unchecked, if they can be read and updated. Additionally, you may be and choose whether or not the attribute is read only or wholly hidden from the view. In the That's all about the encapsulations in Java. Thank you.